Imagine a world that runs on carbon-free power, a net zero emissions economy fueled by abundant, affordable energy, and a future full of new jobs and new opportunities. Despite a record drop due to the COVID-19 pandemic, global energy demand is expected to rebound by 2023. That means action is needed now over the next 10 years to put global CO2 emissions on track for net zero by 2050. To do that, nearly 75% of global electricity must be generated by low-emission sources, up from less than 40% in 2019. It's clear, the world needs innovative, clean energy technologies now, and Canada is positioned to lead the way. From the high Arctic to the temperate rainforests of British Columbia, we mirror the landscape of the world. With densely populated urban centers and remote rural communities, Canada faces the wide range of energy challenges found around the globe, challenges that demand diverse solutions. Small modular reactors for isolated regions, a strong supply chain to serve expanding populations, flexible risk-informed regulation, and a skilled, reliable workforce. We know nuclear energy is key to transitioning to a carbon-free world, and Canada is already a leader in the industry.
Wind power is great, solar power is great, hydropower is great. However, the wind doesn't always blow, the sun doesn't always shine, and not everywhere has good access to hydro. So we need something that is always there. Nuclear power is that something. It's an essential part of our future energy mix, and Canada can be a world leader in this if it invests now.
Specialized facilities and test equipment are needed to research, develop, and deliver next-generation technologies. But that doesn't exist in Canada or anywhere else in the world right now. Testing can advance technology readiness levels, develop reliable predictive models and safety codes, and mitigate risk. With more than 100 years of experience developing and testing energy technologies, Kinectrics understands global energy needs, as well as Canada's potential to develop the clean energy technology to meet those needs.
So we have a very unique opportunity today. We're on the verge of seeing advanced nuclear technologies move into the forefront of the Canadian energy landscape, starting to see emerging markets all over the world begin to accept small modular reactors as a technology that holds enormous promise for the future. And at this point in time, we're really looking for those organizations that want to participate and help forge that future to all come together under one roof and really work on those most challenging problems together. And with that, we've developed the Clean Energy Innovation Center known as Helios. So the mission for this center is really to see clean energy technology be deployed in the world in a meaningful way. And we want to be able to bring those technologies to the Canadian public. We want to be able to bring that to the international landscape and solidify Canada as a global provider of clean energy solutions. We've established a campus-style center that will have flexible laboratory spaces to bring in academic researchers. And the cornerstone of that facility will be a high-temperature helium loop that can be utilized in a variety of other applications, including hydrogen generation, thermal storage and molten salts, and a wide variety of other applications that apply to high-temperature reactors and advanced nuclear technologies.
The development of high-temperature gas reactors really is providing us the opportunity to reach those future goals of net zero much faster. This center presents an amazing opportunity for us. There really are no suitable facilities available right now to support the development and the deployment of our SMR technologies. This center will allow us to move from design to deployment of clean energy technologies.
I think this facility will be critical to the next generation of scientists and engineers, and it will give students a chance to be engaged in all aspects of R&D. It will act as a nexus, as a hub that will bring together the people from the university, the students, as well as industry, reactor vendors, the regulator, and also the utilities. And I think this will give a unique opportunity for all those groups to engage on a technical and establish networks. And from my experience in the nuclear industry, it's the networks that are the most important part to success.
I think we can look at this facility as providing truly unique opportunities for testing advanced materials. The combination of capabilities in terms of temperature range, environmental conditions, and couple that with the other facilities that are available, like laboratories for testing mechanical properties or for doing material characterization. And we have a facility that everyone is going to be looking at to come and use.
While Helios will ensure Canada's leadership in the nuclear industry, clean energy systems are about more than electricity. High-quality heat generated by advanced nuclear reactors will also help in the development of clean technology in industries that produce hydrogen, such as the aerospace and petrochemicals industries.
This center will allow us to develop and prove out a wide variety of hydrogen generation options, many of which have enormous potential to help decarbonize the Canadian oil sands and produce some of the cleanest fossil fuels available to the world.
From the petroleum industry to the nuclear energy industry, Helios will bring academic and industry leaders together to research, develop, and deliver the innovative new technology needed to cut carbon emissions and tackle the effects of climate change head-on. It will ensure the Government of Canada has the tools and brainpower to meet emission goals and act on the SMR Action Plan, hydrogen strategy, and the transition to net zero. It will help develop our future scientists, engineers, and other highly skilled professionals, and stimulate the economy by creating new clean energy jobs and local and national infrastructure.
Helios is something that Kinectrics was destined to create. This is all about innovation, it's all about clean energy, it's all about moving to a low carbon society for the future. And Kinectrics passionately believes in that mission and has the skills, capabilities, people to do that. Kinectrics is committed to doing this. We are going to lead this. We are putting money into this to cause this to happen. But we are looking to bring in the best from all around Ontario, Canada, North America, and the world. We are looking for people's expertise, and we want to be all-inclusive to try to create something that is truly world-class here in Ontario.